Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Shopify to the Claude. So guys, if you want to connect your Claude AI with the Shopify, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, simply search the Claude AI. After that, you go for and sign in properly. Make sure that you are signed in with the right credentials. Okay, so guys, here you see this is my account and this is my mail and my current subscription is free. After that guys, go for the option of customize. So guys, here you see at the left side there is a one option is customize. Then you just close it and connect to your apps. After that, when you are in the app section, here you see the option of lot of application. Okay, so you just click it and here you simply search Shopify. SHOP5. Build, manage and analyze your Shopify store. So guys, you simply click the option of plus icon. Now complete the sign in the next step. So guys, now here it asks you for the sign in. So you simply choose the Google and you choose your account, and when you are completely verify yourself and authorize yourself, enter all the credentials, then you get automatically connect your Shopify with your Claude AI. So this is the way that guys you can done, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.